Mechanical assembly. Automatic assembly improves equipment stability. Build for premium quality. Automatic drilling and tapping. All-round consideration on holes, depth and shape accuracy. Guide rail machining. Pressure beam and wheels automatically conveys and assembles, improving assembly efficiency. Running is more stable and more accurate. Key component process ensures accuracy and stability. Robot palletizer. Accurate position. To achieve best quality. Efficient loading and unloading. AGV cart. Automatic picking and feeding. Offering you a quality assurance by carrying out high quality standards.